I'm gonna have to tip you.
Tip me good. You owe me dinner now.
Yes.
Lunch.
I'm gonna take you to Jackson's or somewhere. I'm gonna take you somewhere nice.
Okay, I take it. I take it. Thank you everyone for enjoying us tonight. So with this, we'll apply the condensed glue gel. It's so much fun. It's feel like we have a fun time, so the girl time. And floating on the top of the nails, I'm gonna do a little dragon scale here. You know why? Because I do not want to cover my really cute ombre nails. Super cute. We've been talking about that Black History nails for a long time, right?
Yes.
How would you remove this from the nails? You just use the E5 when you mean the encapsulating? Laurie? Nuna. Encapsulating, you just need to use the E5 to remove that, sweetie. Oh, dragon scale. Okay. Hold on. Can you clean this one, please? Clean the tip of it. Thank you. Give it to me. Okay. When you see, I love this dragon scale. You gotta experience it yourself. They're so sparkling. It will last good up to like, we have clients going on vacation. She come back 6 weeks later. They're still there. So dragon scale, you have to like using your either a crystal clipper and get it off, or you can just use E-file to get it off. And in the class, March in Ann Arbor, we're gonna have we are actually cover a lot of different cool design with
dragon scales. Yes. Okay.
I'm so obsessed with this. Look at that. Now I am going to use some of my, what I miss, this color, red. Okay, girl, Gucci nails again. Looks like Gucci though. Do you think so?
It's the red and the green.
You know what? That's more like Versace. When they go with like old silky.
Are you sure? No, it's Gucci.
Oh, just look how Bruno Mars dressed. Look at this. Look exactly the same.
But it's beautiful though.
It is.
The color, I love the colors. So you see how it's like combination of dragon scale and your crystal. It just really, hold on. I need one more. Yeah. You feel complete now. Might as well go big or go home.
Yes, that's your model.
You said, Nancy, I'm gonna be either go big or go home, okay? You're gonna get that all. Wipe up on the side, and then you're gonna pop in the lamp for about 60 seconds. Is that cute?
Pretty.
Great. Bye, Instagram.
You created this, Miss Nancy.
You like that?
Yes, I knew you were going to do it.
So our Instagram is out. We're gonna have to be back with you in just a second.
You know they can't hear you, right?
Huh?
Instagram can't hear you. Just first.
That's okay. I'm on Instagram or whatever it is.
Say hi.
Hi Instagram. Welcome back. We're trying a different angle of the. Hi Lupita, how are you? I feel like. Hey.
For the most part, they're flat.
Hi, the Tish Bar. How are you, sweetie? Hi, Mary. Hi, Nuna. Thanks so much for tuning back in. Oh my God, look at this.
I know, that looks so good, Miss Nancy. Bless
Excuse
you. She said, love all the diamonds.
Yeah, love all the diamond. Thank you. Well, welcome back. Welcome back. Let's do some fun thing. What else we want to do now? What others in our Black history
Show me
that
that. Renee, focus.